Hey YouTube, it's your girl Bella. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I would absolutely love to have you here on my YouTube adventures. So as you can tell by the title of the video, I'm down here in my living room and I've come up with 3 inspirational ideas to use some of that ZGallerie stuff that we all love so much. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I will show you guys 3 ZGallerie inspired ideas using just a little bit of ZGallerie stuff and just some stuff you guys have around your house. You know, maybe you can shop your own home. I just wanted to get inspired because now, you know, the springs come and I'm trying to get rid of all the bunny stuff that I had in the house. So I was trying to get some really high-end looks for you guys. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I'll show you what I did. Hey guys, look number 1. I'm calling this my mixed metals because I've actually mixed metals here. So I'm going to go in closer. Now everyone we know has that ZGallerie's piggy bank. So I added that with those 2 really nice apothecary jars and this really pretty flower arrangement and just a candle. And this one's got a silver and gold tray. If you haven't seen that, I just got it from a shopping haul that I posted. I'm going to take away the bunny pillows. Ooh, sorry. Okay, so that is look number 1. Isn't that gorgeous? Like, look how nice it looks. Beautiful. So look number 1. Oh. Okay, guys, look number 2. Look at this. This is great. Now, keep in mind, don't mind the pillows in the background. They are going to be going away, but I thought this was such a great look. So the 2 apothecary jars, with the mirrored tray. Make sure your coffee table is really clean. And let me show you this. It glitters. So I really enjoy that. So that's my ZGallerie's look number 2. I thought that was really nice, this one actually. So just it's simple. Just the tray in the middle and that is it. Okay guys, look number 3. I just added 2 pretty hydrangeas to these apothecary jars. I took the lids off with that lovely gold tray with the tiny little ZGallerie globe again. And then I just added this beautiful box. It's a glass box and it says Très Chic. And I think this look is really nice. And that is the final look. So that is it. That's the 3 high-end ZGallerie's inspired looks for you guys. And actually, just to add another touch, why don't we add the candle? Okay, I added the candle for you guys. The marble of my countertop, my coffee table looks really good with a marble candle, and this one is from Bath and Body Works, and I just love it. And I think this really kind of gives you an inspiration of what they got going on in the store. I think this looks really good. So those are my 3 looks, and I hope they inspired you. Okay, loves, I hope this was a little bit of inspiration for you guys for your high-end coffee table looks. As you can tell in my house, I am cleaning. I'm trying to get things organized and clean this house because it is a mess. So these were my 3 inspiration for you guys. I hope you really liked it. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did. Also, leave me a comment. I really want to know which one of the 3 looks did you like the best? Number 1, number 2, or number 3? So that would mean the world to me. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.